Before we start the video, just a quick note. This is the third time I have to upload this. The reason being is because the first two times I didn't realize that when I rendered the original video was at 15 frames per second, and when I was watching it back on YouTube, it seemed a bit stuttery. So this is the third attempt. Hopefully everything is fixed now. I do apologize for my current subscribers who see this for the third time. For folks coming here for the first time, hope the video is helpful. Alright, the OXO Brew Conical Burr grinder. I had my eye on this for quite some time. I finally decided to get it. I was in Target a couple of weeks ago. I saw it, there was two left, and I just decided to pick it up. I paid $99.99 for it. That was in Target. I think it's the same price on Amazon. And that's in mid-March 2024. It's the at time of recording price. Now let's get started. We're going to have a look at the unit and show you what parts are removable, which isn't. So we have the hopper lid. And we have the removable hopper. There's a little lock icon in here. You just twist it to the unlock position. It just pops right out. Try to show it before my hand got in the way. You couldn't really see it, but that just twists, lock and unlock. Inside we have the removable upper burr. It's hard to show this because my hand gets in the way, but this flips up. It's the only thing I don't like. You got to be careful too, though. You don't get cut on those blades. It's hard to do this and hold the camera. Give me a second here, guys. So this flips up. Hey, got it. This flips up. You twist, and then it just removes. And to replace it, just pop it in, and then flip it down, and she's locked in there. And replacing the hopper is simple. Just pops right in, and just twist it to the lock position, and that's secure. Moving on, we have the static fighting grounds container. And this is one benefit I like. This is one of the things I like about this model over the Cuisinart. You don't get that fine static powder, if you will, with this model. Nowhere near as much as you do with the Cuisinart. And to me, that's just worth the extra money. As I record this right now, I don't know how much that Cuisinart is. I forgot. I think it was like 59 or 69. I have the grind selector from fine all the way to coarse. And that's what we're going to do in this demo. I'm just going to show the finest setting. We're going to do medium, and then we're going to go on the most coarse setting. And I'll show what those grinds look like in a second. And that's the timer dial. And I'll explain that in just a minute as well. And the start button. It also comes with this handy little scoop. And this holds approximately 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Alright, let's get into some operation. I'm going to fill the hopper with the beans. That should be enough for this demo. Now first we're going to select fine. You do that by put the hopper on top. You know what? Real quickly, I just want to show side by side before I forget. For folks considering either one of these, this is the Cuisinart Supreme grind. I did a video on this. I'll put a link in the description below. And obviously that's the OXO. This is the timer dial. And this basically determines the amount of coffee grounds you get. There's no rhyme or reason to this. It does take some experimenting. During testing, when I put it on medium, with 10 seconds, I got approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons of grounds. If I were to go to fine and put it on 5 seconds, I'd probably get about 2 tablespoons, but that same 5 seconds on coarse might give me 3 to 4 tablespoons. So I find like the more coarse it is, the more you get, the less, like the more fine it is, the less grounds you're gonna get. So you just have to experiment with that. But for this demo, I think 5 seconds should be enough. Now let's see. See, no static, no fine powder. That's about 2 tablespoons. And that's the finest setting. It's for espresso. Next we're going to do medium. I'm going to put it to 8. Get a better view. Alright, don't want a coffee bean for some scale. It's medium. That's the medium texture. That was on 8. That's for like auto drip machines, percolators. Once again, that's for like espresso. For folks who have espresso, who make espresso, is that an acceptable texture? I only ask because I haven't done espresso machines on this channel yet, so just curious. And for our last example, we'll go all the way to the most coarse setting, which is 15. And this I'm going to give 20 seconds because I'm going to make a cup of coffee. I'm going to see the results. I just made it. Ran out of beans. It's going to show a little bit. Okay, I went ahead and I measured 2 cups of water, put it in the electric kettle. We're going to get that started. I put 6 tablespoons of the coarse grind in the French press. You do 3 tablespoons of coarse per cup, or at least per 12-ounce cup. I'm going to pour it in, wait 4 minutes, and we're going to see how it comes out. Alright, that's just about finished. I'm just going to wait. I don't want to put a full boil in there. All right, that should be good. I also did a video on this Bodum French press as well. You could check that out after this video if you'd like. I'd appreciate that. I'm going to place this on top and we'll just wait 4 minutes before we filter it. Okay, 4 minutes have gone by. Let's see. You know, the one thing I'm not mentioning is the aroma. This smells fantastic. I'm just going to put some milk in to get an idea of strength, or you guys get an idea of strength. Came out good during testing, and it looks the same. And it smells great. Visually, I mean, it might look a little weak visually, but let's see here. No, that's perfect, at least for me. Very good. Came out very good. Wow. I mean, when you grind your own beans, man, it just makes a big difference. I'm pretty happy with that result. I would probably go to maybe the 14 or 13 setting just to get it a little bit more color. But as far as flavor, it's fine by me. And that's going to be the video of the OXO Brew Conical Burr coffee grinder. I hope this was helpful for anyone who's considering this unit or comparing it to something else. I thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. That helps the channel out tremendously. And I will catch you in my next one.